Good evening once again. I think today is day 69 of this Data Analytics Bootcamp for Microbiologists and other health personnels. So, like always, we used to start by having a brief recap on what we have done yesterday. So I think yesterday we discussed on select and command prompt. We discussed on where command, distinct command. Yeah, I think we have seen how to select data and how to select a specific column, how to use alias to rename a column after you selected that column. I think in brief, this is what we have done yesterday. So today we are going to discuss on two things. And what we are, let me open new query so that let me just write them. Yeah. So today we are going to discuss on two things, please. Number one is comparison operators. Then number two, logical operators. So these are two operators that we are going to discuss on today. So under these comparison operators, we have greater than, we have less than, we have greater than or equal to, we have less than or equal to, and we have not equal to. So these are the operators that are under these comparison operators. So these comparison operators and these logical operators, they are all operators in SQL that use where command. You combine them together with where command. Yesterday we have discussed on where command. So these operators work with where command. And you can hear some people calling them relational operators. Some people used to call these comparison operators relational operators. This is greater than, this is less than, this is greater than or equal to, this is less than or equal to, then this is not equal to. So these are the operators under these comparison operators. Then under these logical operators, these also logical operators, they use where command. We used to combine them with where command, but there are types of operators that maybe you will match one or more operators together, or you will give one or more condition. For example, so under this, I think we have and, we have or, we have not, we have between, we have in and not in and not in. Yeah, in and not in. Then I think we have between operators. Yeah, we have like. So these are the operators that we have under logical operators. So these type of operators are operators that you give before it executes. It has to satisfy one or more condition. For example, okay, you say, let it select from your table where department is supposed to this and salary is greater than this, or where department is supposed to this and gender is supposed to this. That is when you are giving, you are using AND operator. So for AND operator to be true, all the statement or all the conditions must be satisfied, which means all the condition has to be true. Then for all condition, or operator, one condition has to be fulfilled. For example, maybe if you give like 100 condition, so even if one condition is true, it will be. So this is how this logical operators works. So as we keep working with them, like all this not operator, maybe you give condition, okay, if it will like it will display or it will execute all the condition except maybe not, maybe for it should select from gender where gender not what, where gender is not female, then it will execute all the males. Then this between, it just give a range. Maybe you want to select from your salary, okay, you want to select the salary of people from so range to so range. So we use this between. Then in and not in, they also use where command. But this condition, there are conditions given to data when it satisfies a certain criteria. So if the data satisfy a certain criteria, then it will execute or it will fetch the data out, or it will retrieve the data. So that's this in and not in. Then for this like operator, for example, maybe you want to fetch out the department, all the department that their name ends with GY, maybe Y, maybe pharmacy, what the pharmacy, emergency, is it physiology? Maybe you want to do something like that, or maybe you want to like retrieve all the names in full name. If your name starts with A, then it will retrieve your name, or maybe a name or department ends with ING. So this is how these like operator work and logical operators. So let's start working with them. I think let's say select all from, I think our data is bootcamp. Select all from bootcamp. I made mistake, but let me see if people are following. Who can identify, they say invalid object name. Who can identify the step? Which step did we miss? Who can identify the step that we miss? We just say select all from bootcamp. I know our query is correct. So who can just like identify what was the mistake? Okay. Use table. Are we using table, please? No, it's not use table, please. Use table, which table? See how we are selecting from our table. Who can identify where we made the mistake? Yeah, database. Because we did not select the database that we are going to use, that this our table is located. I think it's use health, yeah. So let's just execute it, use health. Then let's say this. So you see, it's because we did not specify this, the database that we are going to use. So now, the first operator is AND. Okay. So now maybe you want to select from your data or from your table, you want to select only those people, or you want to retrieve data of those people that are from emergency department and they are male. So you just say select all from bootcamp. Like I said, they use where command, where department is equals to what? Is equals to emergency, and gender. No, sorry. We are starting with comparison operators. Maybe where salary, sorry, where salary is greater than what? Is greater than 250,000. So now, anybody whose salary is greater than 250,000, it will fetch out or it will retrieve that person's information. So now let's just highlight it like this. They say incorrect syntax from what? So now, as you can see, I just highlight two things only without the select. So now let me just highlight it like this. So as you can see now, all these people, all their salaries are what? Is greater than 250,000. So these logical operators, they are applicable for which data? They are applicable for data that comes in numeric or numerical form, whether whole data or continuous data. Data that's come in form of numbers, please. But all these types of data like full name, department, these logical operators, they cannot work there, please. They cannot work there except only equal to. Some people used to categorize equal to as logical, as comparison operator. So as you can see now, Anybody whose salary is greater than 250,000, it will retrieve this information. So now it will change this. If you change this to less than. So anybody whose salary is less than 250,000, as you can see, there is no salary that is greater than 200. All the salaries are what? Are less than 250,000. So now maybe let's say you start to say, okay, less than or equal to, because there are some people that their salary is exactly equals to 250. So you just select and you see, this one, his salary is 250. This one also, we have, I think these are the only, or maybe you just decide to say, okay, whose salary is less than, anybody whose salary is less than maybe 200,000. Then you just click on it. So you see, there is nobody whose salary is less than maybe 200,000. Less than or equal to 200,000. But let's say less than 200,000 and see. So you see, so let's add 50. So now let's say less than or equal to 250,000. So you see, so it will select the salaries that are less than or equal to 250,000. That's how less than or equal to work. So now maybe you want it to select, okay, anybody whose salary is not equal to, if your salary is not equal to 250, let it execute. Let it retrieve your information. So you just highlight it like, so you see, anybody whose salary is not, you will not see any salary that is 250 here. You will not see, this one is 25,000. So any salary that is not 250,000 use. Sorry, please. Like we are facing serious network issue here. So this is how you apply the comparison operators: greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. So this is how you apply them. Moving to the next operators, which are logical operators. So under logical operators, we have number one operator, which is AND. So let's take, for example, now you want to select from your data, you want to retrieve informations of those that are from pharmacy department and whose are female. Maybe you want to retrieve their data. So you just say select all. You can select a specific department, please. Like we use, like what we have. Sorry, please. So maybe you want to apply and for where departments is equals to pharmacy. Then and, so this is your and operator. And what? And gender is equal to, let's say, female. So now it will only retrieve information of those people that are from pharmacy department and their gender is female. So let's just highlight and execute. So you see, Amatullahi Ahmad Aminu, she's the only person that is from pharmacy department and she's female. So let's see if we have male. Let's see if we have males. So then let's just execute. So you see, these are the people that we have. Ahmad Sani and Yahya Idris. So maybe, okay, you want to only know their name. Maybe you can just say select full name. Let's see. Sorry, there is nothing like this full name. I think we have something, yeah, we have something like this in our table. Maybe you want to know, okay, they want to only know their name. You see? Maybe including their ID. Then you just, so you see, so you can select a specific columns. So this does and. So now you can add another condition, maybe and maybe their salary, and salary is greater than maybe 250,000. So let's see if we have something like this. Or let's say select all. Let's remove this and say select all. So you see, before it can retrieve your information, you have to satisfy all these conditions. So now let's see if there is female. I don't think we will have female that satisfy all these conditions. Yeah, still I want to like satisfy all these conditions. So you see, but if it is or, for example now, or, so now if it satisfy one of the condition, it will just retrieve the info. So you see, as you can see now, you just say if the department, if this one is not from pharmacy, it's from emergency, but because, and his what? And his gender is what? Is equals to female, and his salary is greater than what? Is greater than 25,000. Let me put 250,000, please. So you see, this one is from gynecology, but because she is female, as you can see. So that's the only difference between if and that's the difference between and or. For and, it has to satisfy all the criteria. It has to satisfy all the conditions. While for or, if it satisfies only one condition, then you are good to go. Then I'm moving to not operator. Maybe you want to select all the information, or you want to retrieve all the information from bootcamp, maybe where, then you say what? Where